Okay, so this car was brought to us by the customer. He wanted to do some cleanup work and get it ready for his Valentine, and of course he was going to give it to her on Valentine's Day. So I guess he borrowed the car, brought it to us. He wanted to do full maintenance. It had a few leaks in the engine he wanted to address, and asked us if we could do something with the driver's seat. The driver's seat was pretty tore up. So Esther did some work, found the seat, put the seat together, cleaned it, everything else like that. While it was here, we kind of went ahead and did a full cleanup. We did some pretty trick cleaning on the paint. Paint was pretty rough, but we got the paint to really come back. So go ahead and watch this and see what we do and see the reaction of the customer. It's really cool.
If I take Nitro, it's 2 sets of stairs. You get something about your own. I really thought.
Yeah, trans
and
diff.
I've looked over the leaks. There's a couple in there, but I've added that as one of the leaks.
Got it. Okay, we'll change those. And of course, here is. Where's the seat?
Seat R&R.
Seat R&R. So this is the seat that Esther found. She actually did a lot of digging around and emailing people and getting them to send pictures back and forth. And look at this thing. This is a AP1 seat. Anybody that knows these cars knows that this seat gets trashed, especially the driver's side. And this is the seat that Esther found. Now, I'm gonna have to get you a bandage for your arm because you're gonna throw your arm out, patting yourself on the back, but look at this thing. This is the one we're replacing, and again, this is somewhat normal. It's a little bit heavier wear than we're used to seeing, but this is more so. You see how it's all flattened down, and the sponge under here gets collapsed. Well, if the leather is in good shape, which this one isn't too bad, you can put a new foam base in there, which is actually kind of pricey, but it makes a world of difference. But as you see, this leather's been repaired, and it's in pretty bad shape. So this is the new one that Esther found for this customer, and this thing is absolutely immaculate. I mean, it really is nice. So George is doing a little cleaning in there. I'm gonna try and make the car look as nice as we can, so it's, you know, fresh inside and gives you a noticeable feel when the seat goes in. Quite badly dinged down the side. You can't quite tell, but this fender looked like it needed to be replaced, and there was a lot of dings down this door and the corner, and he did a fantastic job. Well, we're doing the maintenance. We're going to replace the seat. There's a few other little things that they want doing. We're going to do a little bit more of our LHT TLC to make this car even nicer. So the customer also supplied a big bow and a card and a teddy bear, so we'll put that in the video. We'll see if we can kind of do the unveil, because it's kind of cool when you see someone happy and a surprise like that. When someone's doing that for you, we always like to be a part of it. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup on the inside. It's actually not that bad. Yeah, put my name now.
Put John and George, LHT.
Yeah.
Microphone, that's top row.
Get your discount now.
John and George, LHT.
Sounds spare.
Yeah, spare.
That's when it gets old. Take that off. Got a new piece right under there.
This is for snow.
Yeah, we don't need that. Alright, so it's the next day. We'd spent a lot of time cleaning this car. I mean, can you tell the difference? Look at this thing. There we go, look at that. I mean, we literally transformed this car. Alright, the paint actually came up a lot better than I expected. I thought the paint was pretty bad. Well, you can't quite tell, but the paint is really dull on the trunk, but we got a shine out of it at least. But the sides, this is where we had the paint and dent guy fix a lot of dents, and I went ahead and cleaned the interior real good. There's the new seat. I mean, the seat looks 100 times better. But let's get this thing outside. Wheels too, the wheels are pretty bad. I ended up using a couple of combinations of cleaner to get the wheels up, and they're not the best shaped wheels, but we sure got them to look a lot more presentable. And again, this is a gift, so we're going to be setting this up and putting a bow on this so it's ready for this person's Valentine to pick it up. Is it gonna stay there?
Oh yeah, it's a heavy one.
Do you take that big roll of paper out of there or
Yeah,
leave it in?
I'm gonna do that,
Oh, okay.
but I'm first gonna.
Looks like a commercial we got going on here, doesn't it? There it is. The stage is set. We just need her to show up.
Yeah. Look
All
how
right.
nice that is.
That's sweet, isn't it?
And he even wrote Joyce and Kate.
All right, she's gonna be excited.
Let me straighten it up.
Come and take a look.
It is your pet. What girl? We got a few details.
You did detail it.
Take a look at the seat.